Good morning. Can I sing you a little song? Autumn leaves are falling, falling to the ground. Autumn leaves are falling, yellow, red, and brown. That song has a rhyme in it. Most songs do have a rhyme. I want you to look at my tree. This is a tree. What is this? A tree. And on my tree, there are lots of leaves. Look at the leaves that are on my tree. I have an orange leaf, a yellow leaf, a green leaf, a red leaf, purple leaf, and a brown leaf. These leaves are on my tree. Where are the leaves? On the tree. Now, if you remember, my song didn't talk about leaves that were on a tree. They talked about leaves that were on the ground. Or no, falling on the ground. So, autumn leaves are falling, falling to the ground. Autumn leaves are falling, yellow, red, and brown. Very good. Now, we have some leaves on the tree and some leaves on the ground, under the tree. What color leaves are under the tree? Yellow, red, and brown. What color leaves are in the tree? Orange, green, and purple leaves are in the tree. Very good. Now, in autumn, all of the leaves are going to fall off the trees. All of the leaves will fall onto the tree, off of the trees. Look! There are no more leaves on my tree. There are 0 leaves on the tree. They're all under the tree on the ground. Now, sometimes that means that we have to get our rakes out. See the rake? And we have to rake up our leaves. Make a big pile of leaves. We used our rake. This is a rake. It's used to sweep up the leaves. Sweep up and make a pile. We have a pile of leaves under our tree. Now, the green leaf is on the top. I wonder what leaf is under the green leaf. What do you think? What color do you think it might be? What color leaf is under the green? Orange. The orange leaf was under the green. Very good. All right. This pile of leaves has so many different colors in it. Let's move our leaves around. What would happen if I put some leaves on this side of the tree, next to the tree over here? And what would happen if I put some leaves over here on this side of the tree? We have leaves on both sides of the tree. You know another way we could say that? Our tree is between the leaves. The tree is between the leaves. Oh, wow, look. I see that I have 1, 2, 3 leaves over here. I have 3 leaves on this side. And I have 1, 2, 3 leaves on this side. I have the same amount of leaves on both sides of my tree. How many leaves does that mean that we had on our tree? Let's count them up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 on this side and 3 on this side equals 6 leaves. Let's write it like a math problem. 3 leaves from the left side plus 3 leaves from the right side equals 6 leaves on either side of our tree. All right. We have talked about leaves that have been on the tree. And then we talked about leaves that fell down on the ground. All the leaves fell down on the ground. Some leaves fell next to the tree on the left. And some leaves fell next to the tree on the right. That means that the tree is between the leaves on the ground. Very good. Leaves are fun to play with. You can hide leaves. You can pile up your leaves and jump into them, into the big pile of leaves. You could rake them out and figure out what colors you could find on top of the pile and on the bottom of the pile. You might could even hide something in your pile of leaves. In your pile of leaves. Just like our sign language word this week. I hope you have fun playing with leaves at home.